Now this is Salvia Bee's Bliss sage. This one, unlike the other two, gets a foot tall, 3 feet wide, so this would be a gorgeous ground cover. And again, much like most sages, the smell is just heavenly. This one takes full sun to filtered sun. Flowers only in the spring, whereas the other two are spring and summer. This one likes dry situations where it doesn't need much water. With any plant, you will have to water it a bit in the beginning, but once it's established, it'll take whatever rainfall and Mother Nature give it. So this is definitely a great ground cover. If you've got a really sunny area and you want something low that smells nice. And like the other sages, it has tall, purple-ish flower stalks. Kind of varies with each sage, but it's kind of a cross between purple lavender and a mixture thereof.